Okay, bring it over to Daddy and have him help you.
Okay. Yeah.
Here. She says here.
Okay.
What is it? What is it? Oh, get it? What is it? Is it a new book?
It's a card for you. It says, "My Bella Bella girl, I miss you so much." When I saw,
That's just for you. I know, I see it. Daddy was reading it to you.
when I saw the birdies on the card in this book, I thought of you. Ask Mommy nor Nani to read it to you. Tell your birdies in the backyard hi from me. Love you lots. Come visit me soon. Love, Auntie Tori.
You want to read the book?
Yeah.
Pick it up. What's it have on it? What is that? What is this right here? Is it a lion? Do you love him?
Yeah.
Give him a kiss. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, give her a kiss too? The girl? Yeah, that's so nice. She looks grumpy there, huh? Oh, yep, that's nice. We can read this. You want to? Yeah?
Yeah.
Say thank you, Tori.
Thank you.
And say love you.
Thank you.
Give the camera kisses. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.